Oh, good morning, everybody. Such a glorious morning here on the infected. And of course, it's still winter. And I've been getting a little bit of work done. As you can see, I moved the shelves. And I tell you, my hat's off to people like Game Edge because putting these things in a nice, neat order is the biggest pain I have ever had. I built a few more of these because iron is, we definitely have a lot of it. But yeah, trying to get these things as close as possible. I was ripping my hair out trying to do it. I don't know how Game Edge does it because it was literally driving me insane. Oh, I need water. Oh, yeah, I still got iron on me. Oh, I gotta reload these. Put this iron back in here. But yes, today is another glorious day on the infected. I've been getting a lot of stuff done. I was going to start putting this stuff away. All this stuff we have in here. I still got iron in here. I got stuff all over the place. Stuff in here. Oh, open that door. And I'm still waiting to see if you guys make up your mind on the stairs. If we want them stairs or ramps. I started making some extra barbed wire fencing. I got a few of them in here because we're going to extend this a little bit just to straighten them out. I did make some more cement. These two boxes are full, and I got a partial box here. I made a few more of the wooden fences. We need to make a bunch more, and I mean a bunch. I got the box of rope over here, and we got plenty of logs. And I didn't know whether we should make this concrete or leave it as wood. I haven't decided yet. I like it as wood. Doesn't look too bad. Actually, that is wood right there. I didn't make that concrete. And the tree came back again. I keep chopping that tree down. I'm just going to leave it. And I did, and you can't just throw these away. You got to put them in your inventory and then throw them out of your inventory. I don't know why you just can't chuck them out of there. Really? Okay. But yeah, they're going to need a little bit of food. I did make a few more MREs and stuff like that. And we'll grab a snack while we're in here. Just running out of cans. I've been snacking on these just to keep myself up and running. And I tried going through the boxes, but it's such a pain. I moved this over to give us a little bit more open space here. And restacked our boxes. I don't know why those are crooked. But today, what I want to do is, since we do have a little bit of free play in retrospect to the wonderful vamps that we have coming in and out of here. What I was thinking about doing for our fence line is moving it out to about here. Since when these things are ghosted in, they don't break the ghosting of them. And these things snap in together. So I figure we'll start them right about here instead of ghosting them in there. Oh, no, bring that down to the ground. There you go. Oh, you're not going to snap? There you go. At least we can get these all set so that we know where the barbed wire is going to go. Is that too low now? A little bit. It'll be fine. Look a little funky, but you know what? We should have started it right here because I like that to be on the road instead of being a little bit off the road. Okay, fine. We'll change you up a little bit. Don't delete the wrong thing. Because I do have that into the wall a little bit. And then what we'll probably end up doing is we'll move the barbed wire. I do have a set of them we've already made. Oh, actually, we already have our line set. I'm keeping an eye on that, even though lately that has not been too accurate. Oh, you're not going to pop in now. You were popping in before, because that's fine. We'll come out here. So we're a little further out. That's all right. Bring it up a little bit. Let's see how that's going to line up there, though, to the wall. I mean, if we have one going halfway into the wall, I'm not too concerned with that. A little extra resource, no big deal. I just don't want them to slip by us. Oh, come on. There you go. A little wasted resource, but that's okay. Rather have the wasted resource than being able to sneak in through. Oh. Hey, I can't walk through. Okay. But that's where our new fence line is going to be. And then we can... Oh, you know, I never sized that up. I wanted to size that up with a barbed wire and see if they're the same size. Give me one of them. These things the same size of barbed wire? This is that one oddball that we had left over from before. Oh, barbed wire's bigger. Uh-huh. Just a little bit. Oh, that's okay. This means we won't need just as many barbed wire. Okay. I like that. Actually, what we should do, because our line goes all the way out there. I hate to do it again. Is bring that over here. Bring it around that rock. Because otherwise, if we start it there, we're going to be right into this rock. Yeah, might as well. But I am not going to take that ghost down. I'm just going to start a new ghost. Take that ghost down later. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. Do it like this. My mama didn't raise a dummy. And yes, this is the way the door is supposed to go. I just did it backwards. For all those people that are saying I got the door on backwards, you are absolutely correct. The door is on backwards. In the right spot? It's hard to tell because it's a ghost. These things don't snap to that, though. Okay, that's where the new wall is going to be. We're going to get rid of this ghost. because that is just going to be an annoyance. Then we'll run that straight across to there, run that straight down, and we're going to keep these square. That's where our new property line will be. Oh, it's so bright out here. Could do it from the other side. You can see better. I don't know why I'm raising these up, because we're going to have the barbed wire on the outside. So actually, oh, that worked out even better. Oh, these are going to have to come down. No, that'll be fine there. This is the one that's got to come down. Whoa, way down. Wow. It's almost like they could jump over that, but it really don't make that much of a difference. Like I said, barbed wire will be on the outside of it. Wow, it's going to look a little funky. I really don't think they can jump that high. Where is our... I think we... One more and then we'll turn it. It's going to be a... Oh, that one's right. Oh, that one's outside. Okay. Okay, maybe not that one then. Let's see if we can go from here. I'm going to have to delete that one off. Yeah, I think so. All right, we'll delete you. All right, we're going to need a lot of these. Oh, come on, stop doing that. All right, does that look about right? Come on, you were just there. Come on, you tricky little bugger. You want to be in there. Come on, come on. I'll snap you on there just for the heck of it. That's not too bad because it's all this room here too. Not that we're going to do anything with it. I mean, because there is our outer perimeter. The only bad thing is we can't get around this rock. And they definitely can climb. See, I don't know why they haven't discovered they can climb up on this rock and jump right in. Getting those around here is going to be hard. Oh, come on. Come down channel. It's a long way to go for a broken leg. All right. Yeah, noise meter's still going up. So I might have to go from this one because we still have to have the barbed wire on the outside and the spike walls. So probably from that one because this barb comes all the way out. Because we can, because these are all, this could be an awful lot of steel. Because I'll probably have, wow, I can't jump over that. I will probably have those go right up against the decking there and then curve back out because we'll probably have it go, once it gets to about this point, come back out. And we'll bring this out even more, because we do have all this territory over here. But at least we have a start over there now. We're going to need to make a whole bunch more of those. Oh. There, Mike. Keep you busy. I should make some more log stands. Is what I was saying. Is that going to line up? Oh, it's going to be off a little bit. It's all right. We can be off a little bit. Maybe we'll curve that one in a little bit more, so those wooden ones will ride right alongside this until it gets to, well, we'll have it just ride all the way along here, and then we'll open it up. All the way down through here. We might even move this door down that way some, because we have plenty of room going this way. Because so far I have not seen any of them spawn in here. It used to be if you had a really big territory that they could spawn on the inside. And I have not seen that yet, thank God. Because that was a nightmare. Last season, they were spawning inside the base. But I think we're going to need a lot more of the barbed wire. So I figure what we'll do is we'll make the barbed wire on the outside first. And do the outer perimeter. And then start building the inside perimeter. And I'm going to need a lot more sticks too. But before we start that, I'm going to go ahead and put all this metal away. Oh, I didn't note that. This goes up. Also look like a butterfly. Oh yeah, and I want to mention, I seen the new update. Oh, look at this. This is awesome. Something that I wanted to see for an extremely long time. Where'd he put it? I just seen the update on it, and I know it's got to be somewhere. Right here. We got ladders. This is awesome. You know, I know a lot of us have asked for ladders for a very long time, and now we have ladders. We got different railings, and I think that was it. But yeah, we've asked for ladders, and we got them now. And so, I'm just ecstatic about that when I seen it. I thought, it's unbelievable because so many of us have asked for ladders in this game. Because this way, like with the roof here, we really didn't need stairs. Ladder would have been perfect. Oh, why did I grab that? I still need to make those. Oh, I only made 6 of them. Oh, I'm not going to have enough of that. So the rest of that aluminum can't go in there. I got to put this cobalt back. Should just put it in a wind turbine. Yeah, there's just so much to do, and I just don't know where to begin. Well, that one says cobalt. We'll just pick that up, put it over here for now. Those were all aluminum. Those are all empty. Okay, good. What is this? Copper, you're empty. Lead, empty. Copper. Anything in that one? No, give me that. Put you on top of here. Lead, anything in you? No. We're going to put the overflows in these. And you're empty. Empties I was stacking over here. Yeah, those steel, that's empty. lead. Okay, good. Because I want to get all this out of here. Because I don't know what I'm going to do down here yet. But I'm going to do something with it. I don't know yet what I'm going to do yet. What were these? That's iron. Let's get rid of that iron. What's in this one? Iron. We'll get rid of that. So those will be empty. Because iron I made the extra shelves for. These were iron here. All right. I hear a raccoon. It's not somewhere yet, is it? Oh, we're hitting spring? Oh, I know another thing that we need to do. I want to get over to Croc Lake. I want to make that our summer cottage over there. I know these aren't neat that I'm putting in, but I'm just throwing these here for right now, just to get rid of them. What was in you? Oh, you're just a junk one. You're on. Okay. You know what? We'll just take you. Oh, I don't have a place for you. Yeah, I do. I think most of these are aluminum. All right, that settles it. Next time we go to the mine, we need to switch a few of those around. All right, we take cobalt with us. Oh, no, we can't because cobalt was full. We'll just put you up here. Come on. Sort of neat. Okay. All right, you were aluminum. We'll throw you in here. I need to start stacking all the aluminum here. There's one thing I'd like to try and do. I want to try and get up on one of them big mountains. We'd have to put down a land claim block. All right, none of that. Lead, we can take you and see if we can build upstairs all the way up there. Oh, that's almost full. You want water? I'm just waiting for the attack to come. Let's turn the thing on. I'm empty. Oh, wow, 1,000 power. That's what I like to see. 1,000 power. Oh. Okay, I was going to say it didn't make a noise. There's your water, buddy. Or are we hot? I just leave that on for a while. More lead. Cobalt, yeah. All right, well, since we do have all this excess metals, we should make those, finish all those rest of those ghosted ones. We definitely have the materials for it. And we can make that other battery. Not that we really need it, but fine, sit right there. Empty copper, hey. And the chickens are back. I'm going to start hunting chickens, even though we got chickens in the chicken house. Oh, I can actually put you in the rack, I think. Can I? You'll only hold 10, I got 20. I'll just throw you out here. Because I think we might end up putting you in here. Because what do these need? Is my light on? It sure is. You know, I keep turning this thing off. Yeah. Cobalt, lead, aluminum, iron. Why not? I'll have to grab iron out of here. That's fine. Can we still take more? Yeah. Take some more. Oh, no, put some back. All right. Oh, man. I forgot. Oh, we're upstairs. Hey, come on. Give me a chance, guys. That sounds like two. Where you guys at? Where you guys at? Well, you're still attacking wherever you're at. Oh, having all that stuff ghosted, it's hard to see you guys. coming from over here? I think you did because I thought I... Oh, no, these are just ghosted here. Where'd you guys go? Come on, man. All right, look to see which way Mike went. All right, let's get out there. Having all these extra over here was very helpful. Oh. I'm going to be overweight. I am overweight. Oh, man. What did I grab? Oh, I'm not throwing iron away. We will throw that aluminum away. I'm still overweight. Don't make a difference. Give me that aluminum back. I don't have a junk box out here. Mikey, you carry some stuff for me? That was only 3 guys. It sounded like a lot more than 3 guys. Man, maybe I just make a bunch of cheap spikes and just layer this whole area. There he comes. Let's see which way he runs. Oh, okay. So we know the zombie werewolves came this way. Gotta make a whole bunch more of those repair kits. Hey, man, you ain't supposed to outrun me. I should have dumped these iron when I had the chance. Oh, I hate this. All right, we're almost to an empty box. All right, that's it. That's enough of that. I'm not moving this slow. Empty box or not. If we lose it, we lose it. It's not like we're going to be losing out on metals. I got too many things to do. I'm going to get rid of as many of these as possible. I mean, it's not like we really need the power. Wow, was that only iron? That went pretty quick. Aluminum. I threw boxes somewhere. Was it you? Yeah, you're a box. Oh, that ain't gonna go too far. They're all downstairs. This way, at least we can get rid of these. I mean, that's what the original thing was for, was to load all these things up and get them done. So we might as well. Which one is it? Well, come on. Well, one more. Okay. Cobalt. Right here. Take you. Take the copper. Oh, wait a minute. These things don't need one or the other. Which one don't you need? You don't need the copper. Nope. So copper, you can stay. I didn't need you. I needed lead. Cobalt and lead. What? Where? They sound inside. Oh, there you are. See what I mean? It was already past the time, and those are empty. And he just decides to randomly come. We're going to get another one in a few minutes. Did I have any other cobalt down here? Just out of curiosity. That was aluminum. Take that up with us. Just set that there. All right. Cobalt. Take that little bit of cobalt. And we needed lead. Yeah, I keep seeing those leaves fall, and I keep thinking he added butterflies to this. All right, what am I shy? No way. I got lead on me. Oh, you just didn't take it. Now what am I shy? More lead? Yeah. We got the lead. Let's do it. We'll just keep making these until we run out of materials. Then we'll probably just leave the water house on. Might as well. That's why I don't have to keep turning it on and off. All right, what do I need now? Need iron. Turn my light back on. Okay, I turned the light on this time. I can't blame nobody but me. I'm going to use all that iron up. I don't care. Now I need aluminum. I just put it here. Give me aluminum. What am I shy now? Cobalt. I ain't got no cobalt. It's in the rack. And still need cobalt. Cobalt. Give me some cobalt. We're going to get all this power on. Then I'm going to make some onion soup. We meant to make that a long time ago. Okay, I need 2 more cobalt and those are done. Okay, I know I need iron. Always need iron. Then iron's going to be done. Yeah, of course it's going to be done. We're going to be out of iron here. Three more iron there, and we are done with those. I got 2 iron. Okay. Aluminum. We need aluminum. Always need aluminum. I probably got more in the box, but when I find them in a box, I'll just take them out of the box and put them in there. Yeah, I know. I'm squirreling around today. Well, it looks like somebody's been trying to get online. I know you guys can see that popping up. Oh, we don't need copper, don't need cobalt. Oh, one too many. We're back. Okay, we need 18 more. I don't know, I lost count. Ha! Doggone it. And I'm gonna need some, oh no, I can't grab lead. I wanna keep moving fast. Okay, let's get rid of all these. Put these back. Okay, grab some lead. Let's get the lead out. Okay. All right, now we be shy. Cobalt. Cobalt. We got any cobalt left? Yes, we do. Beautiful. I think the only thing we're going to be shy is one iron or 2 iron. All right, that needs lead. Oh, while we're here, make sure we got enough cobalt. Yep, all the cobalt's in. Let's cobalt back. Lead. Okay, should be enough lead. Now lead's in there. We need 1 iron ingot. Don't we have 1 iron ingot somewhere? Come on, we gotta have 1 iron ingot just laying around in a box. What about downstairs? 1 iron ingot, and we have them all. Oh, yeah, we do. Forgot the forges that were all burned out. Then every last one of these are done. Holy cow. That's a lot. How many we got? I am just curious on this. Oh, it's easier to get from this side. Ain't easy to get to this thing at all. That's 45 wind turbines with everything running. Oh, we're running 26 right now, though. Holy moly. 1,600 available power. And that's what the solar panels going to at 40. That's awesome. Well, I don't think we have to worry about power for a little while. Okay, can I grab 10 more of these? I'll start stocking those back up. Yeah. Okay. That is awesome. Since we took everything out of here. 45 isn't bad. Like I said, I think my top was like almost 200 of them. Oh, no, I can't grab another stack of them. These were all empty, right? That just needs to be melted. What was in you? You are empty. Get you out of the air, will you? Take you with us. Put you in the really crappy stacked empty pile. And I did have 1 lead left in there, yes. Okay. Now, if I do another row of these, it's not going to be here. Actually, what I should do is do them there. Less of a chance of me falling off then. Come on. Get up in the crappy stack pile. There you go. Nope, nope, down we go. Get this last one of iron. We got anything else? You're empty. You guys keep seeing this thing buzz by me? It looks like a leaf, but since I'm moving so fast, we gotta start making some steel too. I think that's steel, right? Yeah, we don't have much steel. And I haven't checked those extractors in the back in a while. You guys have anything in you? Or oh yeah, you do. Give me that cobalt. Oh, probably too much. Yep. I don't know why I do this. It just prolongs the inevitable. My demise. At least I can put those 20 in there now. It started off, I was going to build walls, and I ended up finishing my wind turbines finally. Okay. Well, we can make these all empties now. Take all that aluminum out of there. These are all empty. Copper. we'll do the smart way there, Ken. There you go. No, we'll leave them out there. Put you over here. We know those are empty now. Copper, and we don't have any lead left. We burned all the lead. Okay. Beautiful. So everything we have now, except for that one box of copper, is in the racks. So we can start filling these things up. And I want to eventually start making the racks for here. Now this is the steel racks. I didn't move this one into place until I get these because I have to work them down this way. And I was going to do you guys here, but it's such a tedious thing, and I don't want you guys to hear me saying all kinds of bad words because you wouldn't believe how tedious and grumpy, because I put it in place and I'm like, doggone it, and I move it down, move it back up, pop it in, move it down, move it back up. I have OCD, and it's going to drive me nuts, these little gaps. I'm really hoping that since the devs are wonderful on this game, they really are. They're constantly improving it. I mean, I have never seen a game like this where the developers are constantly making improvements to a game as much as these guys have. Oh, we went up again? Yes, I love it. These guys are really phenomenal with the way they keep improving this game. But they're nonstop. I mean, I really wasn't expecting ladders. We got them. There's a lot of stuff I wasn't expecting, and we're getting it. What did I come down here for? Oh, hey, man, I was trying to work there. Need to grab some veggies for the... I was doing the pumpkins for the barn. These are just as easy, and they've been filling up the boxes. They grow so fast. Yeah, our protein's good. I just ate a pack. We need to get another fridge in now since we got ample power. Even without the solar panels, we're doing good. Because we really don't have to keep the water house on. You don't really need those. We can only get 20 or 2,000 in there. I'll give you that anyways. There you go. I don't need all them potatoes. Oh yeah, so we're gonna make some. Since we have grab some onions. Make some onion soups. Onion soups builds up our water. And these onions have been going away, so 2, 3, we'll grab 4 onion soups. We'll probably eat all 4 of them. We don't need the water right now, but if we have room in the fridge, we can put them in the fridge. It stops the spoilage on them. Once we make another fridge, then we'll be all set. We got 2 pots in there. Give me 4 pans. And I think I had water bottles in here. Yes, I did. 2, 3. And they're already full, so... And this thing has got power. I don't know. Did I put water in there? There is now. I don't know if there was or not. Put an onion in there. And we'll light these bad boys up and make some onion soup. All right. Once this thing stops steaming, stop getting a little black steam. Man, I wish those leaves would stop falling. I keep thinking some kind of butterfly or bug or something. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and put that in here because we will eventually put in another fridge. I like, oh, no food. I like having multiple fridges. Because I like to have a fridge for putting our, Like here, man, that thing seems like it's sticking out so far. Like here, I have the meat stews sitting in here, ready to go. And now I have our veggie mixes in here, ready to go. I like to keep stuff like that in the fridge. Man, it's either crooked or something. It looks, it's crooked. That's why it looked different. Okay, that's better. But I'll have one strictly of those things, like the meat stews or something, all just filled in there and ready to go. Okay, these are ready, so just click up on top, go in here, grab our pan, boom, and it disappears. Goes right into here, and there you go, onion soup. Grab an empty water, put it in there, another empty water, another onion. We're good to go. I wish these things stacked. And we do have some empty spots in here. And this does build up your thirst, so you get a little further thirst. So right now, ours is 103, probably for something we were eating or drinking. And it's been building up our thirst, but these will build them up a lot quicker. This is a 0.25. So the more of these we eat, the more our thirst goes higher, which is a good thing. Okay, and since this is still on, we can just top these back off. So these will all be full. Yeah, look at that steaming away. Need to get some boxes. Oh, you know what? Well, we'll put boxes here. Maybe put too high. And I need to move this box and set up boxes up there too. All right, these are done. First things first. Turn that off. And get our soups. And there we go. Yummy, yummy soups. I'm going to put one in here. I'm going to eat the other one. Just for the heck of it. You can see how far that gave us on the needle there. You eat, for every 4 of these you eat, that'll go up 1. So, and, I mean, since we do have the water house, why do I still have the stick out? Since we have the water house down there, and you got onions growing, if you got a lot of onions, and you want to get your water up high, just keep making onion soups. All you need is the 2 pots. But I'm going to go ahead and call it here. Been a long day, running around like a madman as usual. And I will see you guys on the next Infected. This is GMO signing out for right now. And I hope to see all you guys, you wonderful people. And as always, enjoy whatever games you guys play. And I will catch you guys on the next Infected. Bye-bye for now.